Hi, this is RJ, and my Single Dad Diary today is about James Cook. And James Cook is a very important pioneer to all of us single dads, and I want to recognize his name because he passed away last month in February at the age of 85. And who James Cook is should be recognized and remembered by all of us single parents, especially us single fathers, because James Cook was the pioneer of joint custody laws here in California. And in the early 70s, I believe it's 1974, James Cook was going through a very difficult divorce. And under the family law court system in the 70s, there were no father's rights for joint custody in regards to settling divorces with children. In fact, in a nutshell, family law would treat the spouses completely different and basically awarded immediate custody of the children to the mother. And in a nutshell, divorces in the 70s were basically fathers would write the check, the mothers kept the kids, and that's the way that things were. Well, that's how James Cook's settlement worked in 1974, and he fought it. He not only fought it, but he fought it for all of us here at Single Dad. And with his persistence, his tenacity, and with the support of some other family law attorneys, he got the first ever victory and legislation that allowed joint custody for divorced fathers in the state of California. So I'm going to add a link, and I just want everyone to just really understand and reflect that as tough as things might be, as challenging as it might be, I as a single father could not imagine life without having joint custody with my children and watching birthdays, holidays, losing the first tooth, losing many teeth. Those special things, those parent-teacher appointments, those graduations. I couldn't imagine my life without spending it with the children that I helped create in this world. And I just want all single dads to acknowledge and remember who James Cook was and how his court case changed the way child custody laws are made in family court. And I put an attachment onto this video, and I just want to give special recognition to James Cook, who passed away at age 85. And I want to say, James, thank you. From single dad to one single dad, thank you very, very much.